Hey, what's up everybody? Hopefully you guys are doing good today. So today I had to do something a little bit different again. We had to do a voiceover on this video, so I do apologize. For some apparent reason, we are having problems with the audio on the GoPro, but I did not want to waste this footage. So today we are here in the west side of the Las Vegas Valley in Sun City, Summerlin. Now the last video that you guys was watching was out in Anthem, or Sun City Anthem, I do apologize, and that was actually age-restricted community. Now, I also wanted to do this video because I wanted to show you guys the comparison between the two. Now, this property right here was actually rehabbed by the Booklet brothers. If you guys don't know who they are brothers that flip luxury homes out here in Las Vegas. So go ahead and check them out. I will also have a link in the description below too as well. They do great work. So today I have the pleasure to do a full video tour on their product. So this is a single story home that was built in 1989. The asking price on this home is $599,000. It is 1,804 square feet, 2 bedrooms, 2 baths. Now, as you can see, the exterior of this home, they did some additional upgrades to the home. Number one, they painted the exterior of the home, did some landscaping, added some vegetation. And as we come into the home, as you can see, it's nice and open. We do have luxury vinyl planks, and I believe these planks were 4 feet planks. We have a nice little sitting room area, as you can see. Okay. Now, keep in mind that the furniture that you do see here, you do have an option to submit an offer with the purchase of the furniture. Now, the other thing is that the refrigerator is not included, but the washer and dryer is also not included. It almost sounded like I was going to say it is included, but I'm looking at the cheat sheet here. There's nothing there. So bedroom number one. So as we enter bedroom number one, and this is the second bedroom, and it's 15 by 12. Pretty decent size. Home does have orange peel texture, straight edge cornering, some baseboards. I believe the baseboards on here are 4-inch baseboards. Now I noticed with this bedroom that the paint on here is a gloss. It's painted heavily with gloss on here. I had to get something to drink, so I do apologize. So we have a 6-panel door. As you can see, all the hardware here, it's all the brushed nickel. And they did a really good job, attention to detail. This is one thing that I do like about this group. They do attention to detail, and that's definitely right up my alley. So here's the bathroom here. A couple things that they changed out: the flooring, the 36-inch vanity, quartz countertops, cast iron undermounted sink, all the lights, 16-inch on the toilet. However, they did not change the tub shower combo. This has been sanded and refurbished. They painted. Other than that, the hardware is all brand new on here. Now, one thing that you're going to keep in mind that you're going to have to add a shower rod, or you can do a glass door too as well. If you guys want to do a glass door, I can definitely hook you guys up with that. As you can see, we do have a closet, coat closet, which is kind of strange. The coat closet's over here, right next to the 2 rooms. This was an additional, I believe, right here, where they took this space and added a cabinet, which makes sense. This is a 24-inch depth counter. As you can see, soft closing cabinets, full overlays, shaker-style white cabinets. Coming into the primary, this one's a little bit unique, kind of threw me off. As you walk in, you have the sink off to your right-hand side, right? You got your vanity, and you have your bathroom, which is kind of unique to me. And I do apologize. Been a little bit under the weather. Have a little bit congestion. But as you can see, we have a 4-inch on the backsplash here. Full frame mirror with the 2 sconset lights. And I like that linear window there. Now coming into the 3/4 bath, looks like we have tile all the way up to the top. Now one thing that I do like about this bathroom is that you do have this sliding glass door here. And this is a 1/2-inch sliding glass door. And these things are pretty expensive here. They're not cheap whatsoever. As you can see, they tiled this all the way up to the top, which is really nice. And this is where I talk about this glass right here. This is really quality work right here on this. You definitely needed that for sure. Now we have the closet. Not bad for a closet, right? Remember, this is a age-restricted community. HOAs here are going to be $138 a month. But your property taxes is $2,116 annually. Now, what I like about this room here, it's nice and open. You have vaulted ceilings. Now, the windows are the original windows here. Now, you do have additional closet space. And this is where I talk about the vaulted ceilings here. And right there is the grill right there. That's the return line for your air conditioning unit. Get another look here. So on the primary is 15 by 15. So it's a pretty decent sized primary. We're going to walk back out to the main living area. A couple of things I like about this is that you have this nice, beautiful feature wall with this vaulted ceilings with a nice pitch. Right there, I was actually pointing out the return line. I had to cut this audio a little bit because I had to drink some water. Unfortunately, my throat is getting a little bit dry as I'm talking. It's causing me to cough, so I do apologize. I'm going to try to finish out this video without coughing here. So, again, I do apologize. I'm just very congested today. Now, don't worry, guys. I did do a COVID test, and actually it was an in-house test, and everything's all good. Just, I'm a little bit congested today. Got some mucus, but I'm taking some medicine today, so we'll see how that works out. We have a thermostat right here, which is really nice. This is a programmable thermostat. And I believe you can connect this to your phone too as well, as far as Wi-Fi. Now, coming out to the main living area, I like this little area right here because you have the 60-inch linear fireplace with the LED lights. You can change the colors on here too as well. And they cladded this all the way to the top. So they built this out. This is what it looks like. And this is 12 by 24 tile, I believe, with the chrome Schluter. Also, if you notice, they added a power above the fireplace and also your coax, so that way you can hang your TV. Now, one thing that I would like to see here, all these investors, when they do this, add a TV mount for a flat screen TV, but a universal. That's what I did for all my rental properties, and the reason why I did that is so that way they're not drilling holes into my tile, especially on the fireplace. You don't want them to ruin it, so I find that to be one of the best things. Now, as you can see, the kitchen's back over here in the corner here. Again, we have luxury vinyl throughout. And they did some additional cabinet space right here, which is really interesting. This kitchen doesn't have like a pantry space, so it looks like they added this, which makes total sense. Now, the reason why I was opening this because I thought these were actually pullouts. However, these are soft closing cabinets, which is really nice. Now, you can buy this mechanism on Amazon by clicking on the link in the description below. Now, as you can see, they have some cabinet space here. Tile to the top. I would have liked to see an LED light right about there. That would have been really nice. Kind of give you that elegant look, right? Now, coming into the kitchen, we have a nice peninsula. Quartz countertops. Again, we've got some white shaker cabinets. Beautiful backsplash here. Undermounted sinks and some chrome hardware. Deep on the sink. I like that. It's very deep. You can definitely hide your dishes for sure. Now, this is where I talk about the window and the tint here. So it looks like the original owners had some tint on here. It looks like it's starting to peel off. One thing that I would have loved to see on here is throw some casings around the window because it is a older window there. So, but I mean, that's something you can do later. 42 upper cabinets here. As you can see, it's already stacked all the way up to the ceiling. You have refrigerator that goes there, 36-inch cubic inch. This is your dishwasher. It's all brand new. Look at this. Had to take a look. Wanted to verify it. Now coming over here, we have our laundry room. Now this is kind of unique because I thought this was some additional space, but I realized off to the right, there's actually a furnace here, which is a Lennox furnace. And this looks to be pretty brand new. Okay. As you can see, we have the return here off to the left. And then we have our coils and our filter. Then our supply line. I'm trying to hold on as long as I can because every time I talk, my throat's getting dry and I'm about to cough. All right. Let's see what else we have here. All right. Coming into the 2-car garage. As you can see, we have a foot span on both sides. Looks like they painted the floor. But what I like about this is that there's literally additional space for storage. Looks like we have a brand new water heater, your attic access. Going back in to the house now. I'll take you guys back out to the backyard here. Take a look around. See what's going on. All right. So this backyard, as you can see, it's completely open. Now, the lot size, 7,841 square feet. Covered patio has been repainted. As you can see, that line right there, looks like they painted that over. I would have painted the whole thing so that way it looks like all one color. Now, typically with these age-restricted communities, the backyard is pretty much open. Now, you can put a retaining wall. But that's something that you're going to have to pay for. Now, the question is this I have for you guys. Do you guys like this home better than the Sun City Anthem home? Or do you prefer this home, Sun City Summerlin? Let me know in the comments below. Right? Also, the one in Sun City Anthem, they were asking $625,000, which is they did a really good job. And that's at $562 a square foot. And that one was built in 2002. And it's 1,112 square feet here. Like I mentioned, this is $599,000. 2 bedrooms, 1,800 square feet. And it was built in 1989. I don't know. Let me know in the comments below which video you like better. Which home do you like better? Now, earlier I was just pointing something out there because on the stucco, looks like there was some work that was done. So I don't know if there was a window there or not. But this is where my CSI skills come into play. So now I'm about to investigate this, find out what is going on. So these are things that you just need to look at. I think there was a window right there. I could be wrong with them. But again, you need somebody that's very experienced where they can pick up on these kind of things to question the seller. Now I'm just making my way back around, showing you guys the home one more time before I end this video. I mean, what do you guys think about this property? Can you see yourselves living here? Not bad as far as property taxes, $21.16 a year. Nice community. As you can see how wide the streets are. Well, guys, I really do appreciate each and every one of you guys from the bottom of my heart. I really do. And unfortunately, I couldn't give you the live video audio. But it is what it is. Other than that, thank you so much for tuning in. I'm Krulsawat with Simply Vegas. And be blessed, folks.
Did you like that video home tour? Are you a fan of this channel and you want to get plugged into the real estate market? Well, I got something for you. We have a new channel, real estate, vlogs, Las Vegas lifestyle, behind the scenes, financing, flipping, commercial properties, interviews, local businesses, Krulsawat 2.0. Check it out.